Carlisle, Indiana. Cool little town. It's been snowing like a motherfucker. See, I couldn't fuck with this type of bullshit. Hell no. Every day a motherfucker. Every day you got to dig your shit out. It ain't no fucking way, man. These motherfuckers crazy as fuck. Hell no. That shit crazy. Not the kid. I ain't fucking with you. And guess what the little hustle is? You get you a little tractor, and you dig all this shit out, man. It's all you. I'm serious. This is what the hustle is. I ran across about 5 motherfuckers that was on that trip. Digging shit out. Look at this damn fool. I know he cussing me out. But that shit look pretty than a motherfucker though. I ain't with this bullshit.